Sanibonani, my name is Sepiso Ntsetsanga like channel yami, and if you're a regular at T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. Ngiyanamukela guys ku-channel yami. Ngilate ngiyohlangana nomngane nami. Ngivuke early guys kodwa ngilate. Ngivuke ngoba meku5 ngaweni ngenzi washing ayina kuningi nje sengikwenzile. Kodwa futhi still ngilesi ngijust ngifuna ukuba early ngoba mithi asihlangane ngo10 edrobheni and manje u10 manqa ngiphume endlini. But I hope ke ngikaze adinwe yimina Nkosi yami, mngane nami uyibuka le video ungadinwa yimina. Ngimhambisela i-charger yakhe nekhadi lakho alikhohlwa kumina nje bade kuyibirthday yami. The previous vlog for sure ngibonile. So yeah, wakhohlwa into zakhe kumina. So ngihambisa lezo zinto lezo kumngane nami. Mase ke konke ngifuna ukuyibhack for somebody ngoba sekuzobe somebody's birthday, so content ngifuna ukuyibheka nakamakhuleleni banesicafuna nale ngoma bayidlala ngoba ngizothola i-copyright. Bye bye guys, asambeni ngilate sengivele nje ngikho right ngoba ngilate. Ngisakuthanda ukuba late kodwa ngihlezi ngizoba late. Angazi guys, cela ningisize ukuthi ngenze njani. Namhlanje ngivuke early ngale ndlela lena. Hayi angiyazi mina lento, angiyazi futhi angiyazi ngoba ngingayazi. Imbali zami isakhona njalo by the way. Bye guys.
This one I got to be the job. I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we don't think that. What's it called? You are go, all the best. They can't ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it called? You are go, all the best. They can't ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make
if you don't understand honor and the grace it carries, unless you're busy, unless you're going, one more to go, he continues. If nigga walk, it's just a material what we want.
I know one bite, I know one die, I know one payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it called? You are go, all the best. They can't ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it called? You are go, all the best. They can't ride the foot. I know feet, now.
Hey T Squad, I just want to let you know guys, why this vlog is not making sense. Ifoni yami decide ukungigila for 2 days ingasebenzi and ngaba lazy ukuthi ngiqhubeke nokuvloga because I understood this vlog does not make sense. But end of the day I wanted to post this vlog, so that's why vlog iphela kanjena. But I hope you enjoyed. I love you, T Squad.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?